Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the same chapter, chapter number 7, measurement. And our topic is addition of weight. Means we discuss both operations, addition and subtraction of weight. So first one is addition of weight. In this topic, we have two methods to add or subtract the number, means the weight. First method is with conversion. In this method, firstly we convert the weight, means we have a weight in kilograms, so we convert it into grams by previous methods which we studied earlier. And then the next method is without conversion. So let's discuss the first method. In first method, we do the question with conversion. So first example is, we have to add 4 kilogram and 154 grams and 3 kilograms and 275 grams. So firstly we convert 4 kilogram and 154 gram into grams, and then 3 kilogram 275 grams into grams, and then add this number. So firstly convert this 4 kilogram 154 gram into grams. It means this is 4000 grams. We can write 4 kilogram as 4000 grams and then 154 grams. So the total is 4154 grams. Then the next one is 3 kilogram and 275 grams. So its conversion is 3000 grams and 275 grams, because 275 is already in grams, so we just need to add this in 3000 grams. Grams and 275 grams. The total is 3275 grams. After this, we add both of these units, both of these measurement. So 4154 grams add करेंगे 3275 grams. So the total is 5 and 4 9, 7 and 5 12, carry 1, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4, 4 and 3 7, means 7429 grams. And we can write this measurement as 7 kilogram and 429 grams. Is it clear? So write this question. Then the next method is without conversion. Method 2 is without conversion. In this method, we directly add that amount of weight, means kilogram and grams. For example, we have to add 5 kilogram and 345 grams and 2 kilogram 624 grams. So we write here in solution kilograms and grams and put the value of kilogram under kilogram. This 5 kg, so 5, 2 kg, here 2, and this gram under that word gram, 345 gram and then 624 gram. Then add this number. So 5 and 4, 9, 4 and 2, 6, and 6 and 3, 9. And this 5 and 2, 7. So this 7 is of kilogram and this 969 is of gram. So the answer is 7 kilogram 969 grams. That's the answer. So the method is quite easy, but you can also do this question with conversion. Okay. Then the next one is subtraction of weight. Here subtraction of weight. In this subtraction, there are also two methods. Firstly, with conversion and second, without conversion. So method 1 is with conversion. And the first question is subtract 3 kilogram and 58 grams from 9 kilograms and 94 grams. So that word from means इसमें से हमें क्या करना है, 9 किलोग्राम एंड 94 ग्राम में से सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है 3 किलोग्राम एंड 58 ग्राम. So firstly we write in solution. This is with conversion. So firstly we convert that 3 kilogram and 58 gram into gram. So this is, we can write 3000 gram plus 58 gram, and this is 3058 grams. Then the next is 9 kilogram and 94 gram, and the total is 9000 gram plus 94 gram, and the total is 9094 gram. After this, we have to subtract 3058 gram from 9094 grams. So you can do this here. 9094 grams minus 3058 grams. So here 4 means 40 minus 8. 40 minus 8, 6. Carry 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. So we got 6036 gram. The answer 36 gram as 6000 gram plus 36 gram, or this 6 kilogram and 36 gram. So is that clear to all of you that we have to convert firstly gram to kilogram to gram, and then subtract these numbers, and then again convert it into kilogram and grams. Then the next method is method 2, without conversion. In this method, like we add this number without conversion, so the same is subtraction of weight without conversion. So the second example is we have to subtract 45 kilogram, 220 gram from 95 kilogram, 445 gram. So firstly we write here kilogram, here grams. 45 100 kilograms. We have to subtract 45 kilogram and 220 gram from 95 kilogram and 445 gram. Means 95 किलोग्राम एंड 445 ग्राम में से हमको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है 45 किलोग्राम 220 ग्राम फ्रॉम मीन्स से, तो इसमें से 95 किलोग्राम 445 ग्राम में से 45 किलोग्राम एंड 225 ग्राम हमको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 95 देन 220 एंड 95 एंड 445 and 45 220 gram. So subtract this number. 5 minus 0 5, 4 minus 2 2 and 4 minus 2 2. 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 4 5. So we got 50 kilograms and 225 grams, and that's our answer. So do practice of these that kind of questions. Okay, so thank you class.